Hello and good day, grade 3 students. So this is me again, your English teacher, Abby, and I really appreciate all of you who are listening and watching today. So today we will continue our review about your previous lessons or previous topic last semester. So we done already about classroom or online class greetings. And then we done the alphabet and words A to Z. And then we just done already the consonant and vowel sound. So let's start now with a short vowel sound with sentence. And then we will move to short vowel sound with sentence. And then we have the short vowel okay, sound with sentences. So let's start here. Okay, so short vowel sound with sentences. So what is short vowel, teacher? I don't know. So short vowel, that is the sound of example A, so that is the long vowel. And then the short vowel is okay? Then we have the E, and the short vowel is E. Okay, and we have the I, so the short vowel is I, if you remember. And then we have the O, the short vowel is O. And we have the U, the short vowel is U. Okay, so A, E, O, U. Okay, that is the basic. So what is sentences, teacher? So sentences is words. Okay, it's composed of words. Okay, combination of group of words, and it starts with a capital letter and end up with the what? The full stop. The full stop, it means the what? The period. Okay, so this is all the words here. Okay, and this is all the sentences. So at the if you're facing the screen or your phone, so the words will be in the left side and the sentences will be at the right side. Okay, so number one, apple. Okay, apple. So apple is a fruit. Okay, we know that. We have the red apple, we have the green apple. So I like to eat an apple. Okay, so an apple. Why teacher an? Because the apple is sounds vowel. Okay, so we cannot use apple, so it's look like wrong grammar. Okay, so an apple. Don't forget that one, students. When the next word is uh, vowel sound, you must to use an. Okay, an or the. I like to eat the apple, or I like to eat an apple. Normally, an is the correct one. Okay, next, number two, ant. Okay, the ant is walking. Okay, so the ant is moving or walking. Okay, so walking is a move. Okay, it's a verb, so it's walking. Okay, the ant is walking. Of course, almost of the insect or animals is walking. Okay, number three, ask. Okay, so ask. You can ask your teacher. Okay, so if you have some problems or you have something to ask, so you can ask your teacher. Okay, especially in your class. Okay, so don't forget about that. So ask your teacher, okay, always. If you don't know anything, so you can ask your teacher. Or if you know something, okay, or you're confused about something, so ask your teacher, okay? So number four, act, okay? So the lady act nicely. Okay, so this is the sentence, the lady. So the lady, what is lady, teacher? Is that a boy? Is that a man? Is that an animals? No, of course, this is a human. This is another term for a girl, okay, a lady. So a lady act, okay, so act, so moving again. So action word, act, okay, so you can commonly, from the word actor, actress, so that is the, comes out with an act. So they used to acting, okay, they used to show expression, okay, acting, okay, so nicely, okay, nicely, so good. Number five. So we have alligator. Okay, alligator is another type of animals, another type of animals in the sea. Okay, so the alligator is long. Okay, long size, faster too. Okay, than crocodile. Okay, so crocodile is quite chubby. It's quite big. Okay, so when we say big, so the measurement of the body is quite what? Flat, okay? And when we say long, so it's quite the measurement is quite like a wide, okay? So like that. So alligator, okay, so it's more longer, wider. than crocodile. So the alligator is in the water. Of course, they are in the water, but they can also be in the forest, okay? Because they can walk. Okay, so the alligator, crocodile, okay, they can be in the water, they can be at the what? At the what? At the land, okay? So at the forest, at the land. Okay, so the alligator is in the water, okay? But don't worry, they are commonly stay at the water or jungle. That is their habitat. Okay, next number 6, add. So you can say you add some. So it's like a request. You add, okay, some sugar to my coffee. Okay, so you add some sugar to my coffee. Okay, so it's a present, okay, tense. Okay, so you add some sugar to my coffee. Okay, present. Okay, so add. Okay, not added. Okay, so next, art. The art is so colorful. Of course, when you make an art, there is it's so colorful. It's sometimes so questionable. Like you cannot. It's like so exotic, but it's an art. Okay, so sometimes you saw a frame that is look like, oh, what is this one? Sometimes the eye is not in balance, but that is a form of art. Okay, so that is normal. Okay, alt. Okay, number 8, last. Okay, so alt, you can commonly found this word at the computer keyboard. Okay, so computer keyboard. So the alt button. Okay, so not bottoms. Okay, bottoms is down, and buttons is different. Okay, buttons is the one in your clothes to make it close. Okay, buttons, and this one is button. Okay, without s. So is in your keyboard. Okay, keyboard, so computer keyboard. So if you see that one, that is at the left side of the space. Okay, tab. Okay, so space tab. So you must to see it. Okay, in your keyboard. Okay, so this is our lesson last semester class. So short vowel sound with sentences, if you remember. So let's move on here. Short vowel sound with sentences. Okay, so again, this is all the words here, and this is all the sentences. Okay, don't forget. So here, enter. So enter. So enter, it means come in. Okay, another word for come in. Someone will say, please come in. Some other will say, please enter. Okay, so enter, you can commonly find this one also in the keyboard of your computer, this word. And sometimes we use this one in what? In the school. Okay, so the students enter inside their classroom. Okay, so the students, okay, so more than one plural students, so a lot of students will enter or come in inside their classroom. Okay, so classroom is the place or the room where you learn from the word room and from the word class. Okay, next, number 2, egg. So the egg is in the tray. Of course, sometimes the egg is in the tray, sometimes the egg is in the bowl. But here, I used to have a picture with a tray, and in our previous PowerPoint. So if you remember, I have a picture, but now, of course, we don't have it. But the egg is in the tray, okay? Always tray, okay? Egg tray, okay? So that is the egg up there. Okay, so number 3, elbow. So the hand touches the elbow. Of course, sometimes your hand can touch the elbow, except if you bite your elbow, you cannot do it, okay? So the hand, okay, touches. Okay, so action word touches, okay? The elbow, okay? So in my previous PowerPoint, you saw it that it's have a picture that a woman touch her elbow. Okay, next, number 4, elephant. So the elephant is color brown. Okay, so the elephant is color brown. So elephant, okay, so it's color brown. I don't think it's have a white elephant, but okay. So if it's have, so you can tell me. Okay, so the elephant is color brown. So this is a color. Okay, the brown. Okay, color. According to the picture. Okay, so I make a sentence on the picture. Okay, sentence on the picture in our previous lesson. So elk. Okay, so another type of deer. Okay, so reindeer. So elk. So it's have a long horn like tree. Okay, tree. So tree or plants. Okay, so horn like that. Okay, or branch of tree. So the type of horn that the elk has. Okay, so the elk is on the road. Okay, so in my previous picture, the elk walking on the road. Okay, so the elk is on the road. Okay, Number 6, elm. So elm, okay, so it's a elm tree is a type of tree which is so big, so huge, where you can do picnic, okay, at under of the tree, okay, or around the tree, because it's quite huge. Looks like an older tree which can cover, okay, almost a big part, okay, of the of your area, so of the area. So elm tree, okay, so the elm tree is so huge. Okay, so this is the sentence because I show you in our previous lesson the elm tree, the big elm tree picture. Okay, so the elm tree is so huge. So that is our sentence. Okay, so this is a words in the sentence. So you can make a word in the sentence class according to what you see in the picture, or you can make by your own. So for me, I sometimes make by my own, and sometimes I make something that I saw only in the picture. Okay, so that is important when you take an exam. Sometimes what you see in the picture, that is what you will answer. Okay, so try to practice. So practice. Okay. Next. Okay, so let's move on here. So short vowel I. Okay, I sound with sentences. Again, the words is in the left side when you're facing the screen or your cell phone, and the right side will be all the sentences. Okay, so number 1, in. So in is another lower, okay, lower grade type of a room or a hotel type, okay, so establishment type. So the sentence will be I want to sleep to an inn. Okay, so in. Okay, so it's not in, come in. So it's another one. Okay, so this is a place. Okay, place which is something same with a hotel, same with a motel, same with the apartment. Okay, but we call it inn. Okay, so when you like to rest, so you can or sleep, so you can sleep at the inn. Okay, especially when you are on tour. Okay, so next, ink. Okay, so ink is a type of, it's a black ink, red ink, a different type of color of ink, blue ink. Okay, so which you can commonly found on your pen, okay, on your pen. So it's always have an ink. So the ink, it will not, you cannot write anything without that one, okay? So without ink, you cannot use your pen, so it's useless. So the ink was wasted on the table. So waste, okay, so it's a thrown, okay, on the table. If you remember, in our previous lesson, I have a picture which the ink is thrown. Okay, so next, insect. Okay, so insect is an type of small animals, something like a flies. Okay, um, mosquito. So small type of animals, we call them insects. Sometimes you can find them in the plants. Okay, so insect. So butterfly can be an insect. Okay, so don't forget. So butterfly can be an insect. So insect. Okay, so this is the sentence. The insect is so cute and colorful. Okay, so in the picture, okay, so I show you a lot of type of insect, different type of an insect. Then you can see they are so small, cute, and colorful. Okay, so that is our sentence. Okay, the insect is so cute and colorful. You can say an insect is so cute and colorful. So the sentence still the same, still correct. Okay. Number 4, igloo. Okay, igloo. So what is igloo, teacher? I don't know what is igloo. So igloo is a type of home. Okay, home or house in the middle of the snow place. Okay, Norway, sometimes Norway, Alaska, Iceland. Okay, so there is a lot of an igloo houses at there. Okay, why they build an igloo? Because it's the atmosphere inside. It's have some chimney where they can burn a fire. Okay, especially their places is quite cold. Okay, so igloo. So the igloo is color white. Okay, so the igloo is color white. So if you remember, remembered in our previous lesson, so I show you a picture where the igloo, okay, it's color white. Okay, color white house. Okay, igloo. Okay, next, iguana. Okay, iguana. So the another type for a lizard. So iguana can do a camouflage. Okay, camouflage in word, teacher, in every color. Okay, that is their ability to camouflage, to be invincible. Okay, so iguana. So the iguana is climbing on the tree. So in my previous picture, if you remembered, so the iguana, okay, in the picture is climbing on the tree. Okay. So next, number 6, inside. Okay. So inside, so preposition inside. Okay, so the toys are inside the box. Okay, so inside the box. So if you have the box, you put all your toys so inside. Okay, so when you take out the toys, will be outside. Okay, opposite. Number 7, inch. Okay, so this is another measurement for measurement for when you're using a ruler. Okay, so we have 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. Okay, so the ruler inches is long. Okay, so sorry, so the inch of the ruler is long. Okay, so the inch, okay, of the ruler is long. Okay, so that is the sentence. Okay, so of course the ruler is always have an inch, so it's impossible that there is no inch in a ruler. Okay, next, number 8. So inchworm. Okay, so inchworm. Okay, inchworm is a type of worm where you can commonly found in a leaf. Okay, leaf of what? Of a tree, of a plants. Okay, so inchworm, that is a very small type of worm. Okay, so they commonly eat plants. Okay, so that is an inchworm. So the inchworm is so small. So in my previous picture, I show you the small inchworm, which is in the leaf. Okay, leaf of a flower or tree or plants. Okay, so that is the inchworm. So okay, class. So this is all our lessons for today. Short vowel E sound with sentences. So then we have the short vowel sound with sentences. And then we have the short vowel sound with sentences. So I hope you learned something for today class for our review. And thank you so much. Goodbye.